been watching him for weeks. Know every step to his cook. All his bullshit aside, it's called a cook. Because everything comes down to following a recipe. Simple, complicated, it doesn't matter. Steps never change. And I know every step.
This person doesn't know what the hell he's doing. This short order cook. You're not flipping hamburgers here, pal. What happens when you get a bad barrel of precursor? How would you even know it? And what happens in summer when the humidity rises and your product goes cloudy? How would you guard against that, huh?